It is day 28 of Movember, and can you see how dark it is outside? Yeah, it's only around 6:30 p.m. Under daylight savings time, it would be this dark around 7:30 p.m., which wouldn't be so bad. I know we tried year-long daylight savings time for 1 year. I've heard it on in the news on CBS. Anybody old enough to remember? No, it didn't work. Any idea why it didn't work? Anybody? I don't know. Question isn't why isn't daylight savings time still a thing? It's why is standard time still a thing? Anyway, this is Buffalo Burnin' Hot Pizza Hut boneless wings. Why do they make boneless wings? I mean, I like the boned wings. The wings with the bones in them. Yeah, I think boned might mean the bones are removed. I don't know, because pitted meat. Anyway, I like to gnaw off and get all the meat and... well, 2 words, vashta narada. These, well, I mean, boneless wings have breading, which means extra carbohydrates, which I could do to avoid the diabetes, etc. So let's find out how hot these things actually are here. Pretty hot, but burning hot? I don't know. Oh well. Here's something I shot a little earlier today.
This is an American penny, and the U.S. Mint is considering discontinuing the coin as it costs 1.7 cents to mint, even though they're only worth 1 cent.
John Oliver did a hilarious video about this, link in the description. And this brings up something which I'm sure a lot of people from other countries, as well as probably some Americans, may be wondering.
As already mentioned, the penny is worth 1 cent. This is the nickel, which is worth 5 cents, and as you can see, is a bit larger than the penny. Then we've got the dime, which, despite being worth 10 cents, is even smaller than the penny.
What the It has to do with the metals from which the coins were originally minted. I mean, nowadays they use alloys and
sandwiching,
and possibly monosodium glutamate.
Pennies were originally made of copper, a fairly plentiful metal. Nickels were originally made of, well, nickel. Now, when I was younger, I didn't even know that nickel was a metal. I thought it was just the name of the coin. So when I read this, I didn't understand what was going on. I thought, wait a minute, they don't have money in Oz. And then I thought, well, maybe Dorothy brought some money over, and that's how they got nickels. And dimes were originally made of silver, a precious metal. This much copper was worth this much nickel, which was worth, this much silver. Okay, we got 8 limited edition flavors. Dum Dums Holiday Pops. So, yeah, apple cider, sugar plum, sugar cookie, gingerbread, polar punch. Yeah, okay. What do you want to bet that's just another flavor repurposed? Mary Cherry. I'm sure that's just cherry. Yeah, look at this. No trademark or anything. I'm pretty sure that term is not in the public domain.